Hi, I'm Jemy Gatdula. I'm the Dean of UA&P Law, and I'm going to be talking about the state of legal education today. Well, legal education, in a way, of course, follows the legal profession. And the legal profession right now is in a state of flux or state of change. And there are several reasons for that. Technology, for one, and also because of the fact that we are in the midst of an ongoing globalization after recovering from a pandemic. So with regard to technology, there are certain challenges that are being faced. The relevance of lawyers, of course, being one of them, whether technology can replace certain functions that lawyers are performing. And this is something that our law students have to be made aware of. In my view, technology will not be able to replace the legal profession or lawyers for that matter. But what it can do is that it will make an effect on the way we do and handle our clientele. We would be in need, therefore, more of lawyers rather than doing the normal things that lawyers used to do, the filling in of boxes, the reviewing of contracts, the drafting of certain documents. Lawyers, I foresee, will be needed to become more analytical, be able to fill in the blanks, and not only fill in the blanks rather, but really able to connect the dots between all the facts and the legal philosophies and provisions that are relevant. And so this requires a type of lawyer that is flexible, quick, very adaptive, of higher bandwidth in terms of intelligence. And this is something that the legal education will have to be able to take into account. The other thing that the state of legal education needs to be able to recognize is that geography still rules. Even though we say we're in a globalized world, still the fact that transportation is a physical thing is a reality that we need to be cognizant of. What this means is that there is a temptation to treat, for example, globalization and international law, or the internalization of law itself, something that would involve far-flung areas, whether it be in Europe, for example, or the United States. The reality still remains that the Philippines is placed within the Asian region, particularly ASEAN. And the University of Asia and the Pacific, for example, is very much well placed because of its name alone. It's Asia and the Pacific. A lot of the legal practices that our lawyers will be encountering will be happening within this neighborhood that is called Asia Pacific. Our legal education must take that reality into consideration when we train our lawyers. What we're seeing here is a need for a different kind of lawyer, someone that is very much adept, quick, flexible, able to operate within either the government sector, the academe, or in the courtroom, someone that is able to use technology very quickly to his advantage, and all in all, a lawyer that is, as we say, cultured, ethical, technically competent in the law. And that is the state of legal education, and we believe that UA&P Law is very much well placed to take advantage of the reality for the benefit of our students. So, thank you very much.